Okay, children, welcome back. We were discussing with the balance of payments because our chapter is international capital movements. Yes, sir, no? Because when there are international, the facility is thinking, sir. Okay, right? When we were discussing with the international trade children, certainly international transactions have to be recorded. Is sir, no? First, we have to know about that book, and we came to know that the book name is our financial statement name. We have to call it as balance of payment. In this balance of payments, we come across with two accounts. Ma, what are they? Current account and cap. Any debts and claims we have to deal with are either day-to-day transactions we have to deal with current account, and we came to know that what are the separate books and all we used to maintain internally. Yes sir, no ma? Yes, that's it, we have concluded ma. And right now, before going to chapter, let me introduce what is foreign direct investment and foreign portfolio investment. Based on this, the total chapter discusses only about what is FDI and what is FPI. So the topic right now here we are having, as children, we are having the foreign direct investments. So let me give some more clarity. What is meant by foreign investment, ma? Please maintain running notes while I am telling. Okay, what is meant by foreign investment? Hope I'll say yes or no. You can just raise your hand. If not miss, no need to raise your hand. If yes miss, just raise your hand, children, so that the class will not be get disturbed. Okay. Right. Foreign investment. When any other country's citizens enter into our country and invest, we have to call that as foreign investment. Yes or no? Yes. Right. And this foreign investments, if any country will enter into our country, it will be of two types, children. One, we have to call it as FDI. What we have to call, ma? Foreign direct investment. And the next we have to call it as foreign portfolio investment. What we have to call, ma? Foreign portfolio investment. Hope you got the same topic in your BCK, sir, no, ma? Do you remember the basic difference between these two? Can anybody raise your hand? Please. Yes. Yes, sir. Open చేస్తాను సార్. ఇప్పుడు రిక్వైర్మెంట్ లేదు సార్. At the end, I will open it, sir. Yes, ma? Okay. Stock market, right? Okay. To have this ownership or management and all, what is the percentage of we have to invest in a company minimum? Greater than or equal to 10%. In which instruments we have to invest, ma? Either while the company is raising its capital fund, it can raise its capital fund either through equities or through debt instruments. Yes or no, ma? Equities means through shares and all. Debt instruments means debentures, bonds, interest oriented instruments. We call them as debt instruments. Okay, no, ma? Yes. Tell me, children, in which instruments we need the ownership here? Equity or debentures? Right. Yes. Very good, ma. Give her a big hand, ma. Yes, that's the right answer, ma. Sit down, ma. The basic difference between the foreign direct investments and foreign portfolio investment is basically the investment on equity shares. Which shares, ma? Equity shares are also known as ordinary shares or owner's capital. Is it right, ma? Which term is also known as owner's capital, ma? Equity share. If you hold the equity shares, right, ma? Which percentage of equity shares if you hold as greater than or equal to how much percentage, amma? 10% of which shares, amma? Equity. If you in the higher studies, there is no need to write shares, amma. Inner meaning itself is the equity means equity shares only. Okay, nama? Yes. In how much percentage you have to invest, ma? Who has to invest, ma? Foreigners has to invest in India in companies. How much percentage ma? Greater than or equal to 10% of equity. If they invest in this amount, children, what are the facilities we are going to provide to the foreign direct investors? Okay, Nama? Yes, we are going to give the directorship in the company. What we are going to give, ma? Directorship. When we give the directorship to a person who is investing in our country, children, yes, certainly will get the ownership of assets. Yes or no, ma? If he become the director, he'll be having the right on the fixed assets of a company. Yes or no, ma? Right. And we call it as ownership of assets. What he can possess, ma? Ownership of assets of a company. Yes or no, ma? And he can get the voice of management and voting rights. Correct, ma? Aim right kuda vastundi, ma? Management and voting rights. And can he exercise any control or power over the company, amma? Can he exercise his powers over the company? Yes, he can control or exercise his powers over the company. Yes or no, ma? Yes or no? Yes. Tell me, children, moreover, yes, he maintains long-term relationship or short-term relationship, ma? Or what kind of relationship? Long-term relationship, right? The last but not least, children, he is a director, yes or no, ma? Today he says hi, tomorrow he says bye, and he will quit from the company, amma. Do any directorship like that is there? No. He should exist for a long period of time. So we call foreign direct investment maintains long-term relationships with the companies. Yes or no, ma? Yes or no? Yes. Next, 1 second, ma. It's not getting scroll. It is struck in it, ma. Sir? Yes, sir. Ochindi. Thank you, thank you. Right, children? Yes. There will be two types of expansions, children. Right now, let us think that boys are foreigners to our country, children. It becomes very easy. Right. Boys, you are the foreigners and you are investing in the girls' country. Is it okay, Amma? Rather than taking an example of India, Germany, Australia, US, like that, taking our any rivalrous examples are controversial issues. Better to have girls and boys. Okay, Nama? Right. Boys, you are going to invest in our girls' countries, ma, in a companies greater than or equal to how much percentage of equity, ma? 10%. When you invest like this, you will become one of the director of our companies, ma. Automatically, you will get the voice of management, ownership of the assets. In addition to this, you can exercise your power over the company. Yes or no, ma? Yes. And moreover, you will get the voting rights also, children. And your relationship will be defined as long-term relationship. What is the relationship, ma? After this, everybody knows. Yes or no, ma? Right. What kind of expansion you are bringing in girls' countries, children? Financially, you are bringing some money. No, sir, వచ్చింది. ఇందాక స్ట్రక్ అయింది సార్, స్క్రోల్ అవుతుంది. It's no scrolling, sir. థిక్గా ఉందా? వైట్ పెట్టారు సార్, బ్లాక్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే, ఏ కలర్? ఓకేనా సార్? రైట్. Yes, long-term relationship, ma. Here one point you have to note it, children. If you bring money into our country, girls' country, children, yes, girls, is it a financial expansion or real expansion? Money is related to which aspect, ma? Finance or real? Finance. And we have to call this expansion as financial expansion because more money is inflowing into our country, yes or no, ma? And we have to call this as financial expansion. What we have to call, ma? Financial expansion. Plus, tell me, children, girls, boys, you are entering into our country, right? After entering into our country, will you increase your branches, ma? Right. Can you employ more number of employees? Can you increase the investment? Because you are having right in each and every aspect of the company, yes or no, ma? You are capable to increase not only financially but also employment and output in a country. Is it right or wrong, ma? As your investment increases, we can increase more output. Simultaneously, you can create more employment opportunities in our country. Yes or no? Yes or no? Right. Tell me, is it a quantitative expansion or monetary expansion, ma? Monetary means in terms of money, we call it as money or financial. Is it monetary or quantity, amma? Employment we express in money or number of employees? Output we express in money or we are expressing number of units? When we are expressing any topic in number of units, children, we have to call it as quantitative. What we have to call, ma? Any kind of quantitative expansion, we have to call it as real expansion. What we have to call, ma? And many of them will be having doubt why we have to use the term of real. I'll give the clarity of this, amma. Later you can understand, children. Right. I'll tell one normal example for you. I'm selling idli, amma. A small bandi I kept under your campus. I'm selling idli, amma. Right. First guy, may I know your name? First guy, may I know your name? Bharat. Your name? Srinivas from? From Nellore. Okay. Yeah, having our branch in Nellore, no? Then? No, not like that. There also masterminds, branch is there. You want to do in main campus. Well, good decision. Right, no problem. You can stand on no additional ticket or no additional charges. Vasda will levy. Though it is an economic class, Vasda will provide free provision. Sama, no need to bother. Right. Yes, Srinivas, how many idli you will purchase? Amma? 10. So he is going to purchase 100 idlis. Amma, maybe in dieting, Amma. Okay, Amma. Right. May I know what is the price of each idli we can have here? Price of, stop it, ma. Price of each idli is 5 rupees. Right. May I know what is your total expenditure? Amma, 500. 500, how you got, ma? 5 plus 100 into 100, derivative of 100 what you did to get the 500, ma? Into. So what is the formula for the total expenditure, ma? Price into quantity consumed or quantity sold or quantity vomited? Quantity consumed. What is the formula for the total expenditure, ma? Price per unit into quantity consumed. Right. I am the seller, yes or no, ma? For me, is it total expenditure or total revenue? Sure. Yes. So we call total expenditure method also as total revenue method. Yes or no, ma? Is it possible to record this transactions in the books of accounts, ma? He paid cash. Yes or no, ma? What I will write, ma? Cash account data to sales. What he will write in his own books, ma? Purchases account data to cash. As these transactions can be recorded in the books of accounts, we call it as, what we have to call it as, ma? Total outlay method. What we have to call, ma? ఇట్స్ నాట్ గూట్లే అమ్మా, ఇట్ ఈస్ అవుట్లే. మరి మేడం ఏదో తిట్టారు పెట్టారు అని చెప్పేసి మీరు ఇవి అవి చెప్తారమ్మా. రైట్. Hope you will be having this methods in your business economics. Yes or no, ma? Total outlay method is also known as total expenditure method, is also known as total revenue method, and the formula is price into quantity. Yes, our Srinivas is feeling little bit hungry, amma. He ate just 1000 idli today, amma. Dieting, amma. Okay, maybe. And the price per unit remain constant, 5 rupees, amma. May I know the total expenditure, ma? Why our income, why Vasudha's income, our national income is increasing? Because of increase in quantity or because of increase in price? Because of increase in quantity, our national income or Vasudha income is increasing. Yes or no, ma? Is it right? Yes, right. Papam, our Srinivas, right? Srinivas purchased today only 100 idli, amma. But just Vasudha, 5 rupees, single number. It is feeling very bad. So I kept one more zero adjacent to 5, but not to the left, amma, but to the right to give place value to the zero number. Okay, nama? How much it becomes, amma? 5. Right now, when compared to the first transaction, the third transaction amount has been increased from 500 to 5000. But this amount increased because of quantity or because of price, amma? Because of price. Which is the real growth for a country? My income should increase because of price or because of quantity? Which is a real growth for a country? Quantity increase here is a real growth to a country, or price increase is a real growth to a country? Sure. So whenever there is a quantity increase in a particular country, you have to add the prefix of real. What we have to use, ma? For just money, you have to use the word of nominal. What we have to use, ma? Whatever you express in money, children, you have to use the prefix of nominal. Whatever you express any concept in quantity, you have to use the prefix of real. Tell me, children, what are the two prefixes right now we have discussed, ma? Real and nominal. When we have to use the prefix of real, ma? For quantity, any concept if expressed in quantitative terms, we have to use the word of real as a prefix or suffix, ma? Right. When we have to use the word of nominal, ma? When any concept is expressed in price or changes in price, any topic related to the price, we have to use the word of nominal. Can you get the clarity between these two, children? Right, hope so. Got it, ma? Yes, tell me, children, because our boys are entering into our country and investing in greater than or equal to 10% of equity, automatically they get the voice of management, voting rights, ownership of assets. They can exercise the control and power over the company. Yes, sir, no, ma? In this aspect, they are not only bringing financial expansion in our country, but also employment and output expansion. Yes, sir, no, ma? Do employment and output can be expressed in terms of money, also in terms of quantity, Amma? Quantity. When it is expressed in quantitative aspects, we have to call it as real expansion. So boys are responsible only for the financial expansion and also real expansion, ma? So boys are responsible for financial expansion and real expansion in our home country, avuna kada? Can you get the meaning of this? Can you get this? And simultaneously, right now we have to move to which concept, Amma? Foreign portfolio investment. In this foreign portfolio investment, children, simultaneously, what is the basic difference we have given, children? Tell me, Amma. Greater than or equal to which percentage, Amma? 10% of equity. Automatically, what number is remaining there? Greater than or equal to is over. What will be symbol remaining? So, less than 10% of equity. What is it, Jisma? Less than 10% of equity. If any boys invest in our country, we have to call it as foreign portfolio investment. Ma'am, direct means they are getting direct management, everything. So, we can use the word of direct. What is the meaning of portfolio? It I have to explain, ma. It I have not explained, okay? Right. Tell me, children, if you invest in any of the company by less than how much percentage of equity, Amma? 10% of equity, I have to call it as foreign portfolio investment. Tell me, children, will you get the directorship? Will you get the voice of management, boys in our country? No. Right. Ownership of assets, voting rights. That means no directorship, no management, no voting rights, no control, and no exercise of power. Yes, sir, no, ma? Nothing you can get the rights. Yes, sir, no, ma? That means you don't have a right even to contact directly with the company, right, ma? You cannot directly contact with our Indian companies, right or wrong, ma? Yes, sir. So then how can you invest in this market? Means through stock market. Through which market you can enter, Amma? Stock market. Here, rather than using the word of stock market, we use the word of capital market. Which market, Amma? That means if you do anybody invest in stock market here, ma? Yes, last bench, can you get up? Through which market you are approaching? Through which agency you are broking? Amma? Angel. Right. How much you invested till now? 50K. What is your original investment, ma? 15K. And right now you are holding about 50,000. Amma? You invested original amount of 15,000. Right now, what is the worth of those 15,000 value? Amma? What is saying? You everything sold out. For how much you sold out? Approximately for total 15,000, how much you sold out for worth? Below 50K, you sold out. Approximately 45 like that, ma. You got 30,000 profit on that. Right now, you are not holding anything. You sold out everything for the recent crash down, ma. Before 3 months. At the time, there was a boom in the market also. Okay. So, in the shares which you have invested, they were in downturn. That's why you sold out. Yes or no? For study purpose. Thank God. Yes, sir. Okay, Amma, are you holding Srinivas? Right. Sit down, ma. Srinivas, get up, ma. How much you invested? 50. 15. Through IPO. No. Agency or brokerage. Angel, you're also. You're also from Angel Broking and you invested 15,000 and you invested in initial public offer only. Every share and all. Right, ma? Yes. My small question. Do you have any voting rights in those companies? Voting right is there for you. May I know which company shares right now you are holding? Amma? IR? What's the full form of that? Indian Railways Food Corporation. Food Finance IRFC. Indian Railways Finance Corporation, you invested certain amount. Do you got any directorship in the railways department, ma? Do you got any management rights, voting rights, any control or exercising power, or you can give any technological information for them? No, you cannot transfer any technology or anything else. Right. Whenever you want, you can sell the share or you should not sell like that. You should not sell. You should hold for how many years? Minimum 6 months. Is there like condition? No. Generally, I'm asking. Whenever you want, you can sell it, no? Right. Is it a long-term relation or short-term relation, ma? What relation, ma? Short-term. You just know by tomorrow I need answer from Srinivas, ma. Foreign portfolio investment is a short-term relationship, okay? Up to this, all the students got the information, ma. I need to know what is the 15,000 you have invested. You invested 15,000 only in IRFCM, ma. Not in any other shares. You invested only in one. IRFC. What is the price per unit, ma? Amma? 25 rupees each share. So they issued at premium. Yes, Anoma? 10 plus 15 premium they issued and you invested. So how many approximately by 25 ma 15,000? 15,600 shares approximately, right? Yes. I need one information from Srinivas. All the students, please remind me by tomorrow's class, ma. I want to know what is your percentage of share in the railways, ma. Either it is 10%, equal to 10%, greater than 10%, or less than 10%. Okay, now? Will you reveal it? Yes. Tomorrow is going to reveal his percentage of owning shares. Okay? Right, sit down, ma. What you are expecting may be greater than 10%. Less than 10%, less than 0.0001% it will be, Amma. Yes, you can notify. For that sake, I am explaining. By tomorrow, I need the answer from you. Okay? Sit down, ma. Please, children, no stock market has the right to issue for any person or to their family persons for more than 10% of equity shares. No stock market that has the right, children. That's why when we are telling about the foreign portfolio investment, we used to say that they approach to our country through which market, Amma? Stock market. Through which market? Or we can call it as stock capital market. In stock market or capital market, certainly we have to face the speculation, right or wrong, ma? What is meant by speculation, ma? Srinivas and last person, I have forgotten to ask the name. Ratna Reddy, right? Srinivas and Ratna Reddy, right? If you expect that in future prices, share prices will rise, will you purchase now or will you sell? They are expecting that in future share prices will increases. On 1st January, they are expecting that price of share will rise. Will they buy now or will they sell now? Okay, if they expect that on January 1st, Modi is going to expire, so stock market will crash down and everything will happen. So they are expecting that prices of shares will fall in the future. They will sell or they will hold or they will purchase, ma. So expecting future, they will purchase or sale means what we have to call it, ma? Speculation. What we have to call it as? Sit down, Ratna Reddy. Can you get it, ma? So when we use the word of stock market, we have to call it as speculation. Hope you are following this, children. Where it is possible to transfer the technology, Emma? In which investments we can transfer technology from one country to another country. So what is also possible, ma? Technology transfer is also possible in which investment? In which investment it is not possible? But there is no possibility of directorship, management, voting rights, control and exercising of power, technology transfer. Yes or no, ma? Can they expand financial expansion? Can they bring a foreign portfolio investment? They can increase the finance in our country. Yes or no, ma? Yes. What they can bring a financial expansion. What can they create employment opportunities in our country, Emma, through stock market? Okay, right. Can they create more output in our country, Emma? No. So can we say no real expansion? Can we say no real expansion, Emma? Where it is possible to have the quantitative or real expansion? In the foreign direct investment. In which investment it is not possible to have the real expansion? Foreign portfolio investment. Can you get the clarity of those two, Amma? Do any doubt regarding to this issue, either online students or physical students, please you can respond, Amma. Online students you can text, Esma. Esma, that we have to enter into the answer. When you can convert means you have to purchase for more than 10%. That right you cannot get through stock market. Stock market doesn't have that right. So you have to sell. So this becomes a disinvestment and then you have to enter into the company. So the process starts from FDI only. So we cannot convert FDI into FPI or FPI into FDI. They are not convertible. Okay. Yes. Good question. Next. Any question to anyone regarding to this issue, please. Even online students, you can. I'm sharing the screen, no? One minute, ma. Let me go to the back. Sir, screen share అవ్వలేదు అంటున్నారు. Okay. Okay, sir. Is it visible? Right, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, no problem, sir. Yes. Do any doubts to the online students, ma? చేసే ఉంది సార్. వాళ్ళు రాలేదని ఇందాక పెట్టారు. మరి తర్వాత ఇట్స్ విజిబుల్ అని పెట్టారు సార్. జూమ్ ఎక్కడుంది ఇక్కడ? షేర్ స్క్రీన్లోనే ఉంది కదా. Anjali, you want FPI explanation, ma? In what sense, ma? Okay, once again, I am repeating the FPI, ma. FPI means we can say how much investment we have to keep in FPI means less than, please answer Anjali, you can text it, less than not equal to, only less than 10% of equity, and this permission can be given only through stock market. No person can directly contact the member of company, amma. You can contact through stock market. If you invest through stock market, you don't get any directorship of a company or management of a company or voting rights, or we can say whatever the rights you get. Why doesn't FPI gets voting rights? FPI is responsible for selling share from one shareholder to another shareholder, but company is not involving there, no? Gopi, Tarun, Gopi. Yes or no? Tarun? Yes. So it's not possible to give voting rights and management decision to the FPIs, because they enter into the share market and they sell from one shareholder to another. And we are not going to sell our share to the company, yes or no, ma? So company involvement will not be there. So we don't give any kind of rights to the foreign portfolio investors. Okay, right. Which is more important for a country growth, amma? FDI, because it brings not only financial expansion but also real expansion. Okay, amma? Balakrishna, unstoppable entertainment. Okay. Okay, Balakrishna. Got it? Yes. Do any more doubts to anyone, ma? So far, what we have discussed till now, children? 90% of the topic is over, first chapter, ma. And this is the basics. Yes, ma. 5 answers are over in this. Not 1, 5 answers. Every answer basically have this information only. And technology transfer is possible only in the FDI. And FDI technology transfer is not possible through stock market. Yes, sir, no, ma? Yes. Do any questions means you can text, ma. Right. And Kedarnath, he is texting. Sai Kedarnath, ma, he is texting. What is the difference between real and nominal? Right, ma? If any expansion takes place out of quantity, that means number of employment, number of resources utilized, number of output produced, like that, we have to use the word of real as a prefix, ma. Right. If any increase or development takes place in money orientation, we have to call it as nominal. Money orientation, you have to call it as nominal, amma. Quantity orientation, you have to call it as real, amma. Okay, Kedarnath? Kedarnath? Do okay, ma, Kedarnath? Yes. Right, still? Anybody from the class, please? Yes. Yes. Stop it, ma. Nominal, we call it as money only, no? Money means financial only, no? So I wrote financial expansion. Yes or no, ma? Nominal expansion means nothing but financial expansion in terms of money. Good. Next, last benchers. Do any doubts in this aspect to anyone? Right. Yes. Ma'am, can we know the entry routes to enter? Yes or no, ma? Right. One more doubt will be there. Why we have to call it as portfolio? Direct means they'll contact directly in the company. They will involve directly in the company economic activities. So you are calling it as direct investment. We understood. What is meant by portfolio? No person will invest only in a particular company shares, ma. If we enter into the stock market, we used to invest in different kinds of shares. Sauna kada. Yes, say metal shares, okay? Stop it, banking shares or any company shares, any different kinds of shares we will invest. That means we are going to invest in a group of companies or a particular company only. Group of companies. Any group we have to call it as portfolio. What we have to call, ma? Up to this, okay, ma, what is meant by portfolio, ma? Group. Because in the stock market, no person will invest in a particular company. Why that person will do like that, madam? Yes, very simple, amma. If I invest in a particular company, only IRFC, let us take, what is it, ma? Okay. IRFC. ఒకవేళ దాంట్లో లాస్ వస్తే ఇఫ్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ లాస్ ఇన్ దట్ వాట్ హ్యాపెన్స్ అమ్మా టోటల్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఫేస్ లాసెస్ ఎస్ అన్నమా ఇఫ్ వీ ఇన్వెస్ట్ ఇన్ డిఫరెంట్ కంపెనీ షేర్స్ వీ కెన్ గెట్ లాస్ ఇన్ వన్ కంపెనీ షేర్స్ అండ్ వీ కెన్ గెట్ గెయిన్ ఇన్ సో వీ కెన్ బ్యాలెన్స్ ఇట్ ఎస్ అన్నమా టు మినిమైజ్ ద రిస్క్ any person will invest in group of company shares but not in a particular company shares amma. So we call it as which investment ma? Portfolio investment. What we used to call it ma? Portfolio investment. And this foreign portfolio investment is of two types, children. How many types amma? Two types. స్టాప్ డిస్కషన్ మా, నేను లేనా సార్, చూస్తారేమో. ఎస్ చిల్డ్రన్, ఓకే, stop it. When any agreement is related to technology between the two countries, we should not call it as agreement amma, we have to call it as collaborations. What we have to call ma? And we call the foreign technological agreements as foreign technological collaborations. What we have to call ma? Foreign technological when we have to use the word of collaboration ma? Agreement. For which kind of agreement ma? Internal agreements are agreements between the two countries ma? When an agreement takes place between the two countries, majorly we use the word of collaboration. Particularly for the term of technology, we have to use the word of collaboration. Foreign technological collaborations are possible in the foreign direct investment, whereas it is not possible in foreign portfolio investment. Can you get the clarity, Amma? Yes, right, ma'am. Manaki stock market. In the stock market, we'll be having two markets, ma. How many markets, ma? Two. Primary market and secondary market. Right now our Srinivas told us ma, where I invested in IPO. Yes or no ma? What is IPO amma? Initial public offer. In this it comes under primary market. Which market amma? In this primary market, what it will be? The company will sell to the shareholder. Who will sell to whom amma? Share. And that offer we call it as initial public offer. Later I purchased a certain share. Man em chesanama, I purchased a certain share. I become the shareholder. Avuna kada? Yes, my share will not be buyback by company. I can sell this share to another shareholder. Yes, Anuma. If any share is sold by one shareholder to another shareholder, and we call that market as secondary market. Major company will not involve in that market. Company will enter only in which market, amma? Primary market. In which market it will not enter, amma? Secondary market. Right now our Ratna Reddy sold some shares for 50,000. Yes, amma? He will sell to company. Have you sold to company, amma? Ratna Reddy? You sold it to company koinda? Company buyback of shares chesinda? అమ్మా ఏంటమ్మా? కుడ్ నాట్ గెట్ ద వాయిస్. శ్రీనివాస్, సెల్ చేస్తే ఎవరికి సెల్ చేయాలి? కంపెనీకి, పబ్లిక్. సో నో షేర్ హోల్డర్ has a right to sell back the same share to the company. These shares, one entered into the market, they will be sold from one shareholder to another shareholder, and we call it as which market? Means secondary market. Secondary market means direct market or indirect market ma? Indirect market. Indirect can also be treated as derived market. What we have to call ma? Derived market. And so we call that market as derivative market. What we have to call it ma? Derivative market. Can you get the term ma? Okay na? Right, children? Yes. Connect in the. Okay. Yes. Do any more doubts regarding to this? To anyone? Children, any concept? It doesn't mean of foreign direct investment or foreign portfolio investment or whatever it may be. Right now you will be having different doubts regarding to the course or regarding to the situation in our country and all. Do economic aspects, do you have any doubts means you can ask me, Amma. Class చెప్పనా హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ ఉంది చాటింగ్ వాళ్ళ క్లాస్ వెళ్తుందా క్లాస్లో ఉంటారా వాళ్ళు క్లాస్లోనే ఉన్నారుగా చాట్ ఒక్కటే రాదు నష్టమేం లేదు మరి స్క్రీన్ షేర్ అవ్వడం లేదు సార్ Okay, children, right now, and many of the students will be having a doubt on this aspect. Ma'am, how we have to enter in the FDI, how we have to enter into the FPI. Right now, first I am going with the Srinivas who invested in the stock market in India, Sensex market and also Nifty market, Amma. Right. Srinivas, have you invested on behalf of your name on your company's name, ma? Have you invested on your own name or any other company name? Your mother name or whatever it may be, your name only, yes or no, ma? Yes. And if any investment is made by an individual person on his own name, right? Srinivas, on his own name, he has invested, ma, and we call it as QFI. What is it, ma? QFI. What is this QFI means? Qualified foreign investor. What we have to call, ma? Qualified foreign investor or eligible foreign investor. Not eligible bachelor, eligible foreign investor. Okay, Nama? Okay, yes. If other than Srinivas, if he invests other than on his own name, Srinivas, you are which company you want to establish in the future, which industry? Amma? Pharma. So in the future he wants to establish a pharmaceutical industry, Amma, and I'm writing if he invests shares in the stock market, okay, right, on behalf of his company name. Right? If he invest on the shares in a company, Srinivas Pharmaceuticals and Co. Okay, yes. Tell me, Srinivas, can we call it as an investor, ma? No. It is company's investment in stock market, yes or no, ma? And then I have to call it as FII. What I have to call it, ma? FII. Sit down, Srinivas. What we have to call FII? What is the FII, ma? Foreign institutional investor. Can you get it, ma? Institution means company only, no? Any organization, company, whether registered or unregistered, we call it as institution. Yes or no, ma? Even education also, educational institutions. Yes or no, ma? Financial institution, non-banking financial institution. First bench. Can you understand, ma? Yes. In the foreign portfolio investment, who enters into stock market with less than 10% of equity of a particular company, children? Yes. It has been classified into two types. May I know what are they, ma? QFI and FII. What is a QFI means? Qualified foreign investor. And what is FII means? Foreign institutional investor. When we have to use the QFI, ma, person or company, ma? Okay, on behalf of company means we have to use the word of foreign institutional investors. In many areas, rather than using FPI and QFI, we use the word of FII. What the word we used to use have familiarly in this chapter, ma? FII. Don't misunderstand that FII is not explained by ma'am like that. Okay, na, ma? What is FII? It is a part of foreign portfolio investment when an investment made in our country's stock market through company, foreign company. Yes or no, ma? Yes. Can you understand, ma? Yes. Boys, your country, you have to feel it as home country. What you have to feel it as? And you have to feel you are entering into our country and you are investing. Yes or no, ma? You have to feel that my country or our country as Emankovalima host country. What you have to feel it, ma? Not ghost, it is host, right? Yes, boys, you have to feel our country as and your country as home country and our country as host country. Host country or overseas or foreign. What you can feel it as, ma? Foreign country, host country or overseas country. Can you get it, ma? Can you get it? Yes. How the boys can enter into our country in the form of FDI? Very simple, ma. They can enter into our country in two routes, ma. The first route we call it as automatic route. What is the first route, ma? In this automatic route, while FDI, any foreign direct investor is entering into our country, there is no need to take permission from any one of them. There is no need to take any from any one of them. Neither government approval nor Reserve Bank of approval is required in any of the aspect. Can you understand, ma? And this route we call it as automatic route. What we have to call, ma? Automatic. And next route we are having and we call it as government route. What route, amma? Government. Let us see what is meant by government route. Very simple, amma. Right. If you want to enter as FDI into our country, you have to take the permission of central government. Which government, amma? In addition to this, you have to take even particular state government permission. Okay, nama? Then that route we have to call it as which route, amma? Government. If no government route or RBI route is required, we have to call it as automatic route. In how many routes the FDI persons can enter into our country, amma? Two routes. What are they, amma? Automatic route and one more doubt we'll be having, and this is the last point, children. I told you that 90% of the topic we had completed. Yes or no, ma? Yes. What is the last point? Let us see, children. Ma'am, FDI we are entering. Boys are entering into our country through FDI or FPI in this concept right now. FDI. Boys, you are entering into our country through the process of FDI, amma, and you can enter either automatic route or government based on the requirement and subject to. Okay, nama? Yes. Right now, this foreign direct investment can be in two processes, amma. One investment we call it as greenfield investment. What is the first one, amma? Greenfield investment. Greenfield FDI we call it as. And the next investment is brownfield investment. What FDI? What is the next one, amma? Brownfield FDI. Tell me, children, you can enter either automatic route or government route based on the subjective and conditions, amma. Right. After entering, what type of FDI you can do it means only two types you can do, amma. One is greenfield foreign direct investment and the next one is brownfield foreign direct investment. Do anybody know the difference between the greenfield and brownfield, amma? Do anybody knows the difference between green field and brown field? It will be green and it will be brown. Antenama? Do any difference, amma? We used to call green field airports also. Yes or no, ma? అంటే బాగా గ్రీన్ ఉండాలమ్మా, కొంచెం తక్కువైనా పర్లేదు. How it must be, amma? Either green, totally green or dark green, light green. What kind of green it should be? Parrot green. Abba. Super, amma. What kind of green it should be? Brown means dark brown, chocolate brown. What kind of brown it must be there? Chocolate brown, abba. Yes. It's not like that, amma, green and brown. It is not regarding to agriculture and it is not regarding to chocolate industry or whatever it may be, amma. Let us see these two kinds of investment. With this, I told you that we can complete how much percentage, ma? 90% of the chapter. Let me say, boys belongs to Germany and we belong to India. Germany. Oda. Tell me your option. Which country you want to opt it? India. Yes. Boys are Indians. No problem. Let us do. Right now, world is being dominated by China. Yes or no, ma? Yes. Let us become China, ma. No problem. Yes or no, ma? Right. And it is a dragon country also. What we call the China as, ma? Dragon country. The world, not because of corona or whatever it may be, amma. Worldwide, if any country has to get shaken of their stock market or expansionary sense, it is the only country which can influence the world means none other than China, amma. Which country, amma? It is the only country which can export at the least price across the world with high technology. Yes or no, ma? Because the labor cost in China is very less. So the dragon country is China. Even US also gets shaken because of China. So let us opt China, amma. Okay? Yes. Amma? ఏంటి చేసేది 4 యాప్లు చేసి బాయ్కాట్ బ్యాన్ అంటే సరిపోద్దా అమ్మా నీ దగ్గర మొబైల్ చూపి ఒకసారి షో యువర్ మొబైల్ లెట్ మీ నో యువర్ పేట్రియాటిజం అండ్ ఆల్ మా షో యువర్ మొబైల్ how many of you are having Indian Geo mobiles or Carbon mobiles or Macromax mobiles ma appa yes. I'm not asking the mobile that is to be exposed in the market ma what you use personally I'm asking it. Yes, please. How many? Samsung is also imported from Korea, amma. But it will be assembled in China, amma. If you want, you can open the battery kadamma. Lopal open cheste IMEI code దగ్గర మీకు ఉంటుంది. Assembled in China అని ఉంటుంది. మీరు చూసుకోవచ్చమ్మా. లేకపోతే ఇవ్వండి ఒకసారి పగలకొట్టి చూపిస్తానమ్మా. Yes. Hey, I can break it very easily, amma. Right. Yes. And it will be assembled in China. Labor surplus country and 143 crores of population. You are loving number, hope so, boys. Right. 143 crores of population China is having, amma, and labor surplus economy. Hence, labor is cheap. Not only that, they accommodate modern and ultra modern technology, so they could produce any of the electronic gadget at cheaper prices. Yes, sir, no, ma? So worldwide, it is being dominating. Yes, sir, no, ma? Right. We are the Chinese right now. No need to bother, amma. Yes, whatever they feel, they can feel, amma. No need to bother from our side. Right. Indian boys are investing in China market in as a FDI. That is, they are investing in China companies directly by greater than or equal to how much of percentage of equity? 10% of equity. As boys will have, you will have directorship, management, voice and everything, ownership of assets in our company. Okay, Nama? Right. And in this aspect, let us take the example of Oppo company. Which company, Amma? Oppo is from China only, no? Right. I am taking Oppo. Right, children? Boys, you entered into China and already Oppo industry was a telecom Oppo mobile, no? Yes. Oppo mobile firm has been established by China. Already established or you are establishing right now? Right. What you can do? You can invest. You can purchase how much percentage of shares in this ma? 10%. By purchasing 10%, we don't use the word of purchase ma. We use the word of annexure. What we have to use ma? In higher studies, purchase of any financial asset, we should not use the word of purchase. We have to use the word of annexure. Annexure of how much percentage of equity, amma? 10% of equity. Okay, Nama? Yes. Otherwise, what you can do means, next, you can take over the firm. Yes, Nama? You can take over the entire Oppo firm on behalf of you. Yes, Nama? Yes. And we call it as takeover. What you will call it as, ma? If you take over that firm, entire firm, you will purchase, children. Yes, that firm becomes your subsidiary firm. Avuna kada? Yes. You can call it as subsidiary firm. What you can call it as, ma? Subsidiary. Or what you can do, you can merge with that firm. Your company can merge with Oppo company and we call it as merging or amalgamation. What you can do, amma? Merging or amalgamation. I'll give the difference between merging and amalgamation in the next classes, amma, because some examples are there in the material. There we can have it. Okay, Nama? Yes. Otherwise, what you can do, children? You can go with a joint venture. Yes, Nama? What you can do, amma? Joint venture. Okay, Nama? Right. Still what you can do, amma? Still what you can do? You can purchase the share, or you can go with the joint venture, or you can take over that company, or you can merge that company, or you can go with the amalgamation of that particular company, or you can make that company as subsidiary company. Then your company will become holding company. Which company your company will become? Up to this, okay, Nama? Okay, na? Yes. Tell me, children. Or you can go with the joint development resources. What you can do, Amma? Joint development resources. And that example we can have in the material while we are discussing line to line. Okay, Nama? Joint development resources. Up to this, okay? Yes. Children, already the company is there or you have to establish newly, amma? Already company is there and you are making some changes in the existing companies, yes or no, ma? And we call this as brownfield foreign direct investment. Boys, what you have to feel that investment as, ma? Brownfield foreign direct investment. Okay na, ma? Up to this okay? Any doubt to anyone, ma? Right. Let us see the last point. What is greenfield foreign direct investment, amma? Yes. Boys have found one pen, amma, and that pen, by just observing the question, it will write the answer, ma. Whether from KG to PG, amma, any of the subject, objective, or theory, or problematic, or whatever it may be, children. Yes, if it observes the question, it will write the answer, ma. Just we have to hold the pen. What we have to do, amma? Okay, that information and technology and thought, everything is with the boys. Already in India, they are starting manufacture of those kind of pens, amma, and they want to start the branches in other countries. In that aspect, they entered into China. Ekkadiki vacharama? China. And no company such like that in our country. Yes or no, ma? Do we have that kind of pens company in our China, amma? No, no, that kind of China's companies are there. So they will start initial establishment cost. Yes or no, ma? Initial setup cost to ultimate selling process. Who will take the responsibility? Boys will take the responsibility. Which persons will not involve in this? Chinese people or their host country people will not involve in this. Yes or no, ma? Entirely 100% is yours. Yes or no, ma? Yes or no, ma? Initial establishment cost or setup cost too. Initial establishment cost, construction and further production of goods and services and their sales, everything will be carried out by the foreigners, yes or no, ma? Or by the boys in the China, yes or no, ma? Yes. And this kind of investment we have to call it as greenfield foreign indirect investment. I am going in Telugu. Those who are unable to understand this concept means, right, ma? Already ma country lo company unte emunte, ma? ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, కెన్ యూ గెట్ దిస్ పాయింట్, మా? ఆ కంపెనీని మీరొచ్చి మెర్జ్ చేసుకున్నా, అమాల్గమేషన్ చేసుకున్నా, టేక్ ఓవర్ చేసుకున్నా, సర్టెన్ పర్సంటేజ్ ఆఫ్ షేర్స్ ని పర్చేస్ చేసినా, జాయింట్ వెంచర్ గా వచ్చినా, ఆల్రెడీ ఉన్న దాంట్లో మీరు వచ్చారు కాబట్టి దాన్ని ఏమంటాం? బ్రౌన్ ఫీల్డ్. ఏమనాలమ్మా? అలా కాకుండా అసలు మా కంట్రీలో ఇనీషియల్ ఎస్టాబ్లిష్మెంట్ కాస్ట్, ల్యాండ్ పర్చేసింగ్ నుంచి రైట్ మొత్తం మీరే పెట్టుకుంటే దాన్ని ఏమనాలి? గ్రీన్ ఫీల్డ్ ఫారిన్ డైరెక్ట్ ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్. లెట్ us take the example of Kia in Andhra Pradesh. Yes or no? Initial establishment cost too. Its ultimate sales will lie in the hands of only Kia. No other Indian companies amalgamating or merging with that. Yes or no, ma? And what kind of investment it becomes, ma? Greenfield. What we have to call, ma? Greenfield. Yes or no, ma? Right. Take the example of Maruti Suzuki. Already Maruti company was there. Who came to our country? Suzuki from Japan. Yes or no, ma? Yes. Can we call this as greenfield or brownfield, ma? Brownfield. Yes or no, ma? You take any of the companies of automobiles, we can observe, children, they are all brownfield but not greenfield. Recently, Kia is the greenfield. Can you understand, ma? Can you understand? Right. Do any doubts in this aspect to anyone regarding to the greenfield and brownfield foreign direct investment, ma? Please. Children, no need to hesitate, ma. Other people will think something like that. Whatever your doubt, I cannot enter into your mind and think your doubts and explain. Yes or no, ma? If you ask me, I will give clarity. Please, children, do any doubt in this aspect? My time is up to 5:15 now, sir. 1:5. Is it right? No. Please, children. Can you understand? Yes. Let us go with the material regarding to this. May I know the book number, please, children? Book number will be there on the first page of the material. Book number they will mention. Thank you. No, ma. There is no such option here. Yes, I'm watching out, ma. It is also 46th. Okay, children, I cannot get the material. Okay, one last point I will explain and I will asthma, right. And this is most important. What is the word, please? Repatriation. Yes or no, ma? Yes. Right? What is meant by repatriation? Indian boys investing in China country. Yes or no, ma? Indian boys are investing in which country? China. Whether they invest in which process, amma? Greenfield investment or brownfield investment, whatever it may be. Okay, nama? Right. They invested 10 lakhs crores. How much, amma? That is the investment amount, yes, Anama? And they got a profit of 15 lakhs crores in addition to 10 lakhs. Investment they have not withdrawn. How much dividend or interest or profit they got in the investment, Sama? 15 lakhs crores. How much you the people, boys, guys got profit, Amma? Is it profit or investment? Is profit as revenue nature or capital nature? Revenue nature. You have to record in current account or capital account. Boys, you brought 10 lakhs crores as investment. Yes, sir, no, ma? As FDI. You have to record in which account, amma? Capital account or current account? 10 crores, 10 lakhs of crores as investment. Capital account. For this year, boys, you earned 15 lakhs of crores, amma, as profit for the current year. Okay. Then profit will be recorded in which account, amma? Current account. Yes, Anuma? Right. This profit, what you can do, children? Can you make this amount to your country? Can you make this 15 lakhs crores from our country to your country? Can you make this as a payment, amma? Payment or no payment? Can you transfer this money or cannot transfer? You can. That type of transferring, we have to call it as repatriation. What we have to call, ma? Can you understand, ma? Any income earned in our country by the foreigners can be remitted to their countries, can be made payment to their countries. Yes or no, ma? Yes or no, ma? Is it unilateral or bilateral? Unilateral. So it will be recorded in the balance of unilateral transfers. Yes or no, ma? Profit earned in India and remitted to, profit earned in China and remitted to India. Yes or no, ma? What it becomes, ma? Repatriation. What we have to call a repatriation. Can you get this, ma? Can you get this? What is meant by non-repatriation? Profit earned in China but cannot be remitted to India. If any such kind of amount that should not be remitted to outside of India, we have to call it as non-repatriation. What we have to call them? Remitted means payment can be done to other country. Yes or no? Non-repatriation means cannot be sent to another countries. I'll give the full meaning of this in the next class, Amma. Okay. So I can't open the material, so we can continue with the material. So please all of you come with your materials. Do okay, children?